At the wideband, I already had the boost gauge on. So this is my 08 G8 GT.
I got broads in Atlanta, just to throw me in the family. Credit cards and the scammers, getting no licks in the band. Legacies.
6.0 procharged, lowered, and Camaro wheels, and then my brother's 09 lowered LSA supercharged on Camaro wheels as well. This car in the shop, I'm gonna try to fix that gap right there. It keeps falling off whenever I rub and turn the wheels, and then same shit for the other side over there. Put on the lift, and then I'm gonna screw in the wideband sensor into the bunghole. It is a stage 3 cam. Solo's exhaust. It looks good, it sounds good. Alright, car's on the lift. About to go. Look at that booty. So, let me lift it up. Vlog here with the compa.
You already know what's good, man.
Eating
Shout out to my boy Panda Vlogs. You already know. Shit gets real.
Alright, car's in the air. Car's too low. I'm about to do something about that. As I'm looking at the exhaust, and that thing is fucked up. It's all damaged right there. It's leaking all it's leaking. I'm about to order some headers. Sucks because I just had these on not too long ago, and there's a 2-inch to 3-inch Chevy Camaro SS headers. So I don't know if I should order another one, and but see the way they hang low. Yep, came off. Look at that. Alright, so I'm opening up the hood. Bam. Oh, I just scratched the car. You can't see in here. Alright, so I'm gonna run the hanger right there where my boost gauge is at. A lot of people may cringe because that's a boot, but it's all good, it's all gravy. So I'm gonna stick it through there. I don't feel like making any other holes, and there's nothing really in the way there. So I'm gonna go ahead and just run the wire through there and then connect it down to the O2 sensor bump. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and lower it down. Got the hanger through the firewall already, so I need to tape the end. So I'm gonna tape this in on the hanger, pull it back down that way. That way I can get enough on this side for the O2 sensor, and then I'll zip tie the sensor somewhere secured. Install the sensor. And then I'll secure the sensor and zip tie it somewhere where it doesn't get on the header and burn. What are you doing?
Wait, you. Pinche güey no sabe a la verga. Mira, mira. Okay.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to see. Alright, so the sensor is all down in there, all installed. I gotta do something about this catch can, and then I gotta put a filter on this thing. Other than that, I got the connector zip tied, and sensor is way down there in the very back of the engine, so it's not going to burn by the header. So that's all installed, just a sensor. Get the harness coming out of the steering shaft place, and I'm gonna take this cover off right here, and then I'm gonna zip tie the box and run the sensors and stuff. But I'll do it tomorrow, so it's a little late, about to close the shop. So I'll see y'all in the morning, and I'll wire up the rest. So peace. Alright, what's up guys? It is the next morning. Alright, so I went ahead and connected focus. I went ahead and connected the power and ground and all the elimination deals. It's actually right here. I'll connect it. Why is it blurry? Anyway. So as soon as I put the key on, it turns on. And I can change the colors. Oh, maybe this one. Yeah, it was that one. So everything's all connected. So I'm just gonna wire everything in there, route it, and then I cut out a temporary little plate for my gauges. I'll place it right here, just for now, because I ordered the one that goes on top of the dash, which will have the 3 deals, which I'll rerun everything whenever it comes in. So here's the idea. It is just wrapped in carbon fiber, so it'll be all brown and shit. But as soon as I put in the radio, underneath the radio pretty good, this will have a spot just like that. And then of course when I move my shift knob to drive, I'll be able to monitor my air fuel ratio and then my boost. So alright, so the boost gauge and the wideband gauge is installed. This is just a temporary plate, like I said earlier, and like I said, I'm gonna order the one from GH only, and I'll put it on top of here, and I'll rerun everything. But everything's powered up on the side, so I can put this cover panel back on. It's done. As soon as I pull my shift knob out of the way, I can actually see. And did both. Actually, I had this older one here, the aftermarket eBay one, which I found these from a buddy of mine. Sold them to me for $100 for both. So it's all installed, everything should be working. So let me see how it runs with it. And of course I wish the K-hand was able to integrate all that. It'd be so badass. But yeah, that's done. So let's go on a run. Let me put the GoPro on instead of this camera, and then see what it does. Alright, here we are guys. We can go to the, I'm not gonna go to the bank, but I'm gonna show you how it works. Alright guys, fixing to hit the freeway, so let's see how this thing runs. And see, I have the color green. I don't know if you'll be able to see that or not. let's see what it does. See if I can actually see my boost gauge, which angle is kind of hard, but just for now, temporary. So the air fuel mixture is good. So it's running between 14 and 15. And then when you let off, it just goes, oh, it's the back, but it's not reading. But yep, the boost gauge is working. So let me do a little watt on the freeway over here, straight across, and see what it does. Alright, so we're on the freeway now. Should be really good. Yeah, it came out pretty good. It worked good. So this is the end of the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.